Hey, what's going on, Hazard Gang? I'm sorry, I won't call you that again. Wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on with the E46 M3, because we've been busy with some little things here and there. So the last time that we left off, we were doing the calipers and we were giving them a fresh coat of yellow paint. Then we also reviewed the build journal B-Spec tune and SMG tune. Check that out. Both those videos I'll put at one point or another, or the link in the description below or at the end of the video. And we've been busy with a couple things here and there. We took the car to the track for the first time. That was super fun. This car is really, really powerful and really a joy to drive. But we also did, some maintenance stuff. Air filter, I don't think that's been changed for a long time, so we went ahead and we changed the air filter on that. And then we also went ahead and we changed out the diff fluid. I don't think there was anything particularly wrong with the diff fluid. It was just, it wasn't the right weight that I would want for the track. I believe for a little while, BMW was recommending 75W90 for the diff fluid, but I went ahead and changed it to 75W140, which is now their current recommendation for the MLSDs. So took care of that, threw some royal purple in there. And also I went ahead and refreshed the steering wheel. Now, okay, well, in all due fairness, I didn't really do much. My friend X went ahead and did it for me. But we got a fake suede-like material, steering wheel wrap, and we got some really cool yellow stitching, and now we got like a yellow center line. I think it looks fantastic. The steering wheel definitely had better days, and I really think the steering wheel cover really makes it look premium. I was actually pretty surprised at how well it turned out. I'll leave a link in the description for that down below if you're interested in that. What else? Ah, yes, the shift knob. Well, that looked like trash. So we went ahead and we stripped the shift knob down, and I took a chance and hydro dipped it in a carbon fiber. Never hydro dipped before. Unfortunately, didn't really get the process on camera. Sorry, because I really didn't know what I was doing. So we were just kind of going with the flow. But next time I have something to dip, I will record it because I actually kind of like dipping and I did a lot of research on it. So I should put that to use. But now the shift knob looks super, super nice. While we were there, we also did the center console. I mean, that whole area looked really bad, as you can see. So we went ahead and we resprayed the center console for the shifter. I think it turned out pretty good. And we also went ahead and redid the like that bottom trim piece on the steering wheel as well while we were there, using the same can of paint. Actually, totally crazy. The paint that I used to try to redo the interior, it's actually like a duplicolor graphite gray wheel paint. And surprisingly, it is very, very close to whatever that metallic finish that comes stock in the M3s. So I'm pretty happy with that because I could not find like an OEM paint to match the interior. So this actually came pretty close, and I was like, what, like $8 for the can? So pretty stoked about how that turned out. And then one of the other last things that we did was I went ahead and repainted the kidney grills on the M3 just to get rid of that horrible tricolor thing. I don't know. I mean, it's not my thing. It's just not for me. I also got rid of that chicken wire mesh grill once I got the front bumper off. Eventually. And installing a new mesh grill. I also tinted the fog lights yellow and replaced the missing under tray. So with that said, next projects. This is the big one. It's gonna be the repainting of all the blemishes, especially the trunk on the M3. So that's coming up. I'm still getting everything prepared for that, but that's probably gonna be the next big episode. Also, we got some other really cool like aero bits for the car that I have planned up and lined up to do. So that's gonna be fun to do. It's a little cold right now, although it is warming up. So I'm just kind of waiting for that paint window where, it's not too cold, it's not too humid, but that shouldn't be too much longer. So yeah, keep an eye out for those episodes. If you haven't done already, go ahead and subscribe so you can get updated for all the future videos on the build and future builds as well. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.